Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mention someone on your WhatsApp status. So this feature is currently new. If you want to have this feature, just make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. To do that, open your WhatsApp app, navigate to your status, try to post a status like you normally would. Let's say I want to mention one of my friends to see this meme. I'm going to click on the mention button at the bottom right corner. Click on it. It's going to bring out all your friends, all your contacts. Just search for the person you want to mention. Click on it and click on the check mark. As you can see right here, one contact selected. The mention button is going to be white right now, and you're going to see at the bottom below contact plus at mention. So that's how you know that you have mentioned the person. Now send it. When you send that, it's going to alert that person, and that person will be mentioned on that status. He's going to get a notification that someone has tagged him or mentioned him on a WhatsApp status. So that's how you mention someone on WhatsApp status. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.